Hi, welcome back. Have you ever wondered if you were able to work with your hands doing some woodworking or something like that? I wondered the same thing, and I always like to try new things and see what I can do. Well, I'm going to go to the barn now, to my shop. I'm going to show you a kit that I purchased off of Amazon. It's a DIY Telecaster guitar kit, and we'll look at that Telecaster kit. I had to stop on the way up here though. Had to pick a mess of peas from my garden for supper tonight. Here it is, almost the end of October, and this is my third planting of peas, and they're still doing great. But stay tuned, I'm gonna head to the barn. Well, welcome to my shop. As I mentioned just a few minutes ago, I'm going to open up this Telecaster kit that I purchased from Amazon, and I'll be honest with you, I've already opened the kit up and looked at it, but we're going to look at it again. What got me started on this is I needed to understand how they were made and what they were made from. And this is a kit, well, this is a blank that I have made out of some cedar. This is aromatic cedar that was cut down by the power company. This tree was about 200 years old, and I decided to use part of it to make a guitar. And I cut this out of a pattern. This is a Fender Mustang. This pattern was used either for the bass or for the 6-string, either one. But if you look carefully, you can see where I've traced out the cuts for it that I'm going to make with the router to get that done. I have a template that'll go over it, but this is not what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you the kit. We'll talk about this in another video. I opened this kit already and just glanced at it, didn't look at it that much, so let's open it up and take a look. It comes neatly packaged with plenty of protection. Has a styrofoam top cover there that you can use to assemble your guitar with, kind of like a place to set it on a placemat. And looking in, it has some picture graphics here that tells you where to start, and it talks about the neck first, and putting the tuning machines on the neck, and then going to the body and installing those. But let's take a look at it. The neck comes neatly wrapped. It feels nice to the touch. The frets feel good and smooth. They look like they've been polished. The edges feel nice. Nothing to hurt the hands when you're working with it. It's just a nice feeling neck. The only thing is this plastic nut up top. We'll probably change that out to a bone nut. The body comes wrapped nice and neat, and its protection there, and it comes in a form-fit case that protects it from moving around, and it feels nice and smooth. I believe this body is ready to be finished. It's so smooth. It's drilled in all the proper spaces. It has a pre-assembled fret guard that has all of the pickups in there. Has a 5-position selector here. You can go with 1 or 1 and 2, or 2 or 2 and 3, or 3. That's 5 times there that it would be controlling from top to bottom. Nice. We'll play with that later. Nice cutouts, smooth. I don't see any dings. It looks like it's been nicely milled. It looks like it was done on a CNC router. It's neat. Then it has the accessory package. It comes with a strap and a guitar pick. The accessory package is neatly wrapped up. We have the tuning bridge here, the tuner, that would fit right there. Fit like that. Comes with 6 saddles here to work with the string correctly and stay in tune all the way down through the fretboard. Has the tremolo tensioner here with 3 springs. Has the output cord along with the tremolo bar. Has the neck plate, unbranded neck plate. These are the locking tuners that come with it, and all of the hardware needed to assemble that. A set of strings. These strings would be good to just set it up with. I wouldn't trust those. Has the output cover plate. And the top and bottom strap there. Looks really nice. Nice product. It just really nice product. Feels smooth and ready. The same with the neck. Feels smooth and ready to finish. You finish the fretboard. Let's just check to see how level this fretboard is. I have to put my C&I glasses on. Looking at this under the light, I don't see any light coming through on the fretboard, so it looks pretty level. Has a nice crown on there. I believe that to be like a 12-inch crown. Feels good. There's still some polishing that needs to be done. I feel some rough spots here and there. So we'll polish that a little bit later there. This is a kit. If you want to learn about electric guitars and how they're made and where to start, I'll tell you how much I paid for this kit off of Amazon. I paid $59 plus tax and shipping, which came to about 80 bucks overall. And for the price, I don't think you can beat it. The wood is a maple, and it's made with of maple there. So 3 glue ups, and the joints are just excellent. So take a look at one and see what you think for yourself. I'll show you the construction a little bit later on, but it just looks like it fits real nice. The only other thing would be the pocket. How does it fit? Oh, it is firm. Look at that. It is a nice tight joint. This is going to go together lovely, and it's going to line up right down the center and be ready to go. I like that. Okay, stay tuned for more coming up. Have a blessed day.